Your paths have been entwined for some time now, and so we come here not to ordain your partnership, for in your hearts you have already pledged your love to one another. Rather, we come here to bear witness to your desire to promise to love each other for the rest of your lives, to care for each other across the years, and to forever walk the journey that remains by each other's side.
You make me better. You have softened my edges. You love me for who I am and the potential of who I will become. I love you for all you are, all the parts of you that make you unique, special, and my best friend.
What do you think? Oh, oh yes. You are the light that brings me home. You are my heart and my soul. Who knew that our paths would cross as they do? I met you, and you showed me that life is more than like clay than stone. Your love, like a potter's hands, changed my mind and my heart. You showed me patience and kindness. You've given me peace and strength. Most important of all, you've given me your love.
I will support your dreams. I will be there for you. I will ask, how's your heart today and regularly? I promise to love you through love's ups and downs, adventures and pandemics, car drives and game nights until one day, many, many, many years from now, we hopefully, by destiny, meet once again on the other side and begin all over again. I love you. I see your heart. I prayed for you. And now, here we are together.
May the sad days ahead be few. I know you don't always hear me, but Sharon Edwards, I love you.
I love you too.
You are now joined through heart and soul, and it is my honor and delight to pronounce you husband and wife.